Let us discuss about chemical properties of alcohols. React both as a nucleophile and electrophile. Alcohol react as nucleophile when the bond between OH is broken. Alcohol react as electrophile when the bond between CO is broken. Acidity of alcohols. Primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary. Secondary is more than tertiary alcohol. More the number of electron releasing groups, lesser will be the acidic strength. If electron releasing groups increases in an alcoholic compound, lesser will be the acidic strength. Distinction between primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols. To test the alcohol, it is a primary or secondary or tertiary. We use Victor-Meyer test. By using this test, we can differentiate whether it is a primary alcohol or secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. Let us see what we do. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. This Victor-Meyer test is used to differentiate whether the alcohol is primary or secondary or tertiary. Let us see. How can we differentiate this alcohol? How can we differentiate alcohols by Victor-Meyer test? In primary alcohol, if we react with hydrogen iodide, we will get alkyl iodide, and this alkyl iodide reacts with AgNO2, we will get RCH2NO2 nitroalkane. We will get nitroalkane. This nitroalkane reacts with HNO2, we will get nitrolic acid. This nitrolic acid is further reacts with NaOH, we will get blood red color. Then that alcohol is primary alcohol. Next, coming to secondary alcohol, R2CHOH react with HI, hydrogen iodide, we will get R2CHI dialkyl iodide. We will get dialkyl iodide. This dialkyl iodide reacts with AgNO2. We will get R2CHNO2 dialkyl nitro R2CHNO2. We will get R2CHNO2, and this compound reacts with HNO2. We will get R2CNO2NO. We will get pseudo-nitrile. This pseudo-nitrile further reacts with sodium hydroxide. We will get blue color. Then it is secondary alcohol. Next, coming to tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol reacts with HI. We will get trialkyl iodide. This trialkyl iodide reacts with HNO2. We will get R3CNO2. This compound reacts with HNO2. We will reaction is not occur. Then this R3CNO2 is reacts with NaOH. We will get colorless compound. Then it is a tertiary alcohol. In this way, we can differentiate whether the alcohol is primary, secondary, or tertiary by using Victor-Meyer test. Distinction between primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol by using Lucas test. Concentration HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride is known as Lucas reagent. By using Lucas reagent, we can differentiate whether the alcohol is primary or secondary or tertiary. Let us see how can we differentiate the alcohol whether it is primary or secondary or tertiary by using Lucas test. If it is a primary alcohol, primary alcohols reacts with the Lucas reagent, we will get no cloudiness PPT. No cloudiness appears. Then primary alcohol is confirmed. If secondary alcohol is reacts with the Lucas reagent, cloudiness appears within 5 to 10 minutes. Within 5 to 10 minutes, if tertiary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, cloudiness appears immediately. Immediately cloudiness appears, then tertiary alcohol is confirmed. It is very easy to test to identify the given alcohol is primary or secondary or tertiary. We can use Lucas test. In Lucas test, we can use Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is concentration HCl plus concentration zinc chloride, anhydrous. Concentration HCl plus anhydrous zinc chloride is known as Lucas reagent. By using this reagent, you can test the given alcohol is primary or secondary or tertiary. If primary alcohol reacts with the Lucas reagent, no cloudiness appears. If secondary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, cloudiness appears within 5 to 10 minutes. If tertiary alcohol reacts with Lucas reagent, cloudiness appears immediately, then tertiary alcohol is confirmed. In this way, we can differentiate, we can test whether the given alcohol is primary or secondary or tertiary. Chemical reactions involving cleavage of OH bond, cleavage of OH bond. In alcoholic functional group, ROH is there. Now we are discussing about chemical reactions involving cleavage of OH bond in alcohol. Let us see the reactions. ROH, this is alcohol's general formula, ROH. Now we are discussing the reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Let us see. Alcohols reacts with sodium or potassium. Alcohols reacts with metals. Alcohols reacts with sodium. We will get sodium alkoxide and hydrogen. Alcohols reacts with metal hydrides. We will get metal alkoxides plus hydrogen. Alcohols reacts with NaNH2, we will get sodium alkoxide and ammonia. Alcohols reacts with carboxylic acids in presence of acid catalyst, we will get ester, RCOO, ester and water. Alcohols reacts with acid chlorides in presence of pyridine, we will get esters, RCOO and HCl. Alcohols reacts with anhydrides in presence of acid catalyst, we will get ester plus carboxylic acid. Alcohols reacts with Grignard reagent, we will get alkanes. These are the reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Chemical reactions involving cleavage of CO bond. This is alcohol, ROH. Here CO bond is there. Now we are discussing chemical reactions involving cleavage of CO bond. That means O bond or CO bond. Let us see. ROH, this is alcohol. Alcohol reacts with HX, that means hydrogen halide in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. We will get alkyl halide and water. If alcohol reacts with PX3, PX3 means phosphorus trihalides, we will get alkyl halide and H3PO3. If alcohols reacts with PX5, that means phosphorus pentahalides, we will get alkyl halide and POX3 and HX. HX means hydrogen halides. If alkyl halide reacts with red phosphorus in presence of halogens, we will get alkyl halide and H3PO3, phosphorus acid. If alcohol reacts with SOCl2 in presence of pyridine, we will get alkyl chloride and sulfur dioxide and hydrogen chloride. Next, if alcohol reacts with concentration H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin or concentration H3PO4, that means concentration phosphoric acid, we will get an alkene and water. If alcohol undergo oxidation, we will get aldehydes. These aldehydes further oxidized, we will get carboxylic acids. If alcohol reacts with KMnO4, potassium permanganate, in presence of acid catalyst or base catalyst, we will get carboxylic acids. If alcohol reacts with PCC, that means pyridinium chlorochromate, we will get aldehyde. If alcohol reacts with copper at 573 Kelvin, we will get RCHO, aldehydes, or ketones, or alkene. From aldehydes we will get primary alcohols, from ketones we will get secondary alcohols, from alkenes we will get tertiary alcohols. These are the chemical reactions involving cleavage of CO bond. These are the chemical properties of alcohols. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video in my YouTube channel, Raj Reddy Chemistry Talks. This is Raj Reddy, faculty in chemistry. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like, share, comment, press bell icon. Thank you.